You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, usually applying to a type of Italian sparkling wine, or not entirely sparkling, let's say fizzy. If you want to learn more confusing wine names and Italian vocabulary, stay tuned. In Italian it's said as frizzante, frizzante. You have the double Z, which is like pizza, frizzante. Stay tuned and skip until the end of the video to learn more vocabulary, frizzante. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.